More importantly, funding intended for health must be used and allocated for health. Let us be reminded that under the UHC law, Filipinos should be ensured that health care expenses are kept to a minimum. Unfortunately, we are still far from achieving this goal, and it may become even more difficult with a zero subsidy allocation for next year. Isa rin po sa ating priority sa hearing na ito ay ang ating healthcare workers. For this year, sa ating pangungulit, 27 billion was released by the DBM for the payment of HEA. Salamat po sa Executive Department at inyo namang obligasyon yan dahil services rendered na po yan. I would also like to report that we managed to allot funding for the unprogrammed appropriations. Nakiusap po tayo sa hearing, no, sa ating leadership dito sa Senado na sana po ay maglaan rin po ng pagkukunan sana. Kahit na unprogram pa ito, nakabase po ito kung may excess collection, pero sana makapaglaan ng unprogram allocation. Unahin po itong mga health emergency allowances po. Kahit appeals na po ito, pag services rendered naman po ito, dapat po balikan ito ng DOH at ng DBM.